How to stop Roblox from crashing on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop Roblox from crashing PC. To start the process, open the Windows option from the taskbar. Now, click on the power button and select Restart. Once your device has restarted, type in Run in the search bar located next to the Windows icon. In the Run dialog box that appears, type in App Data and click on the OK button. Within the App Data folder, click on the Local folder. Then scroll down until you find the Roblox folder. Then, right-click on it. In the Contacts menu that appears, select the Delete option. Now, let's search for the app's settings. Type in Apps in the search bar next to the Windows icon. Now click on the Apps and Features option that appears in the search results. In the Search Apps field, within the Apps and Features settings, type in Roblox to find the Roblox application. Once you see the Roblox application listed, click on the three vertical dots located next to Roblox Player. In the options that appear, click on the Uninstall button. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking on Uninstall again when prompted. After uninstalling Roblox, open Microsoft Edge or any other web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in roblox.com to visit the official Roblox website. Once on the website, you can choose any game you would like to play. After that, click on the play button to start loading the selected Roblox game. As you can see, Roblox is now loading without any crashes or issues. If you want to download and install Roblox again, you can do so by following the prompts on the Roblox website. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.